morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So William and I are actually on a ferry right now, headed over to Cozumel. We're going to be doing some snorkeling on the island, maybe a boat trip. We're not too sure yet. William and I had been staying in Playa del Carmen, but the seaweed had been pretty bad, so we decided to take a day trip to Cozumel, which is only a 45-minute ferry ride away. We paid 700 pesos each for a round-trip ticket. Okay guys, so this is my first time here in Cozumel, and we basically came here because we wanted to do some snorkeling. We heard that the reefs here are some of the best in the world, and we're really excited. We paid 600 pesos each for a snorkel tour. They're gonna take us to 2 reefs and 2 beaches. Right now we're just waiting to get on the boat, so yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited. It's gonna be a very clear water, I think.
The water here is super nice.
No seaweed.
One side of the island has seaweed and the other side doesn't. So it's pretty awesome. We're really excited. Gracias.
Bien amigos, voy a presentar a la tripulación. El que ocupa el primer lugar es el Capitán Manuel, amigos. Un fuerte aplauso para el Capitán Manuel, amigos.
Hola, amigos, bienvenidos, gracias.
We were on our way to the first of 3 snorkel spots on our boat trip. The first stop was Colombia Reef. Alright guys, so we just made it to the first reef. It's called Colombia Reef, and I'm excited to snorkel now.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
After about half an hour of snorkeling, we looked up and didn't see the boat anywhere. Where did it go? I don't know. We lost the boat. Fortunately, just a few minutes after this moment, we saw the boat from a distance and started swimming back to it. We were now on our way to the next stop on our boat tour called Palancar Reef. So we're at the second reef. We're gonna jump in and see what it's like. Palancar Reef is a deep reef that is a popular site for scuba divers. The depth was at least 20 to 30 feet down, which is also where most of the marine life is. In this clip, I tried swimming down as far as I could, but I couldn't go further because the pressure became too intense. Alright, we made it back on the boat, and I think we're going to be going to one of the beaches around this area soon. We were now on our way to the final snorkel spot on our boat trip called El Cielo. Alright guys, we're at a location called El Cielo, and it's famous for having lots of starfish, so we're about to jump in. At this point, we anchored at Playa del Cielo, but then the boat captain told everyone that they had to get off the boat.
Why do I have to jump in? I don't want to jump in. Why do I have to jump in?
Alright, so the boat stopped at a beach. Look how beautiful it is here. No seaweed. Cheers.
Why do we need to eat ceviche in the water
I
too?
don't understand. One of the boat captains brought out ceviche and tostadas for everyone, but they still would not allow us to get on the boat.
Están en un solo grupo, amigos, ¿ok?
We are eating ceviche now. Put some in my cup. So we just finished our ceviche and feeling pretty good. The weather is beautiful today. The water here is stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's William. They won't let us get back on the boat. We don't know why. What do you think of the tour?
It's okay, but the guides are really stupid. The tour guides.
Yeah, they were kind of rude earlier. I told him that I had to get on the boat to check my blood sugar. And at first he was like, no, you can't get on. And I was like, I need to get on to check my blood sugar. And then finally, like, I told him I had diabetes, and finally, like, he still didn't want to let me on, but he did anyway. My blood sugar was low, it was 47, so I ate a little bit of banana, drank a little bit of margarita, and it's coming up now.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I want to keep working out. It feels so good in
Yeah,
my shoulder.
I know. Hi, Booby.
I'm protecting myself from the sun.
Yes, that's good.
Now,
We just finished snorkeling. It was so nice. The water is beautiful, and we saw a lot of cool fish and starfish. But now we're heading back to the area where they dropped us off. Alright guys, so we just finished the snorkel tour. It was really nice. The snorkeling part was great. I hate to be negative, but the one thing we didn't like is that the boat captain told everybody to get off the boat at one point and really didn't say why. So we all got off the boat, and then after 30 minutes I was like, okay, I kind of want to get back on the boat so I can check my blood sugar. So I said, I need to get back on the boat, and he said, no, you can't get on the boat. And I was like, no, I need to get on the boat. Even after that, like, he still didn't really want to let us back on the boat. They didn't want to drop the ladder down, but then finally he did. So I got back on the boat, checked my blood sugar, and it was low.
and he asked us to jump into the water again.
Yeah, so basically the whole time when I was checking my blood sugar, he was just watching me. And so I was needing to eat something. William gave me some banana. There's no reason that we should have gotten off the boat at any point.
If you don't want to get off the boat, then
Yeah.
you were in the water for like 1 hour getting sunburned. I said, I don't want to get off the boat. I want to sit here. Why do I have to jump in? I don't want to jump in. Why do I have to jump in? I was breathing salt water.
And William ended up getting on the boat. He just climbed up and got on the boat.
Yeah, they didn't put down the ladders. I pushed myself up and got on the boat.
They had the ladders up on purpose so that nobody could get up.
There were people swimming around the boat because they wanted to get up. It's the sun is super strong here.
Yeah.
People were getting sunburned. They wanted to get up. Somebody told me that the crew or like staff wanted to drink beer, but they didn't want anybody to see them.
If you're tired of swimming, like, you should be able to get back on the boat whenever you need to. You paid for the boat tour, but still, like, we got a lot of cool footage, so we're glad we went. We're just gonna probably walk around the town for a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure what else we're gonna do on the island, but I'll update you guys in a bit. Is it rice?
Yeah.
Rice? Okay. Some. gosh, there's so many. There's William feeding the pigeons. This reminds me of that one episode of Hey Arnold where Arnold befriends like that pigeon man.
Always wash your berries, people.
Oh my god. I think we're just gonna hang out downtown for a little bit and check out the town. We're gonna try to find a place where William can fly his drone. It keeps saying restricted. Alright guys, so we were feeling pretty hungry, so we sat down at a restaurant. It's called Cielito Grill, and we just ordered fajitas. We also got a salad that we're gonna split. We were swimming for a few hours during the snorkeling, and we even ate like ceviche, but like we're starving now.
Good thing we brought some snacks, otherwise I would have been very hungry.
Yeah, I was snacking on sunflower seeds earlier, and then William just ordered an horchata. Alright, so we just got our food, and we got a mix of chicken and arrachera fajitas, and then we got a salad with spinach, grapefruit, goat cheese, orange, cranberries, and then a citrus dressing. So I'm gonna try the salad first. Really fresh. William is trying to fly his drone, but I think it's still saying restricted.
I have to walk like 30 meters
That way? Alright, we walked down the street, but it still says restricted for the drone. So I think we're gonna have to walk further up the street. So we made it to the ferry port, and the line is super, super long. Let me see if I can show you guys. We're hoping that we make it on the 7 p.m. ferry, otherwise we're gonna have to wait another hour. How are you feeling?
Good, just tired.
Yeah, we're really tired. The sun just takes it out of you. I'm actually gonna end the video here, so subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you enjoyed it. We're actually gonna be going to some cenotes, and we're gonna be renting a car later, so the next few videos are also gonna be really good. I'll see you in the next one.